Only 2 days to go. Donald Trump campaigning today in 5 different states. He's headed to Virginia right now. And he has one more stop even tonight. Joining us with reaction, Milwaukee County Sheriff David Clarke, the host of Justice, Judge Jeanine Pirro. Sheriff, where do you see it now?
I still see the wind at Donald Trump's back. Look, I've been in 7 different cities in 5 different states over the last 3 or 4 days on behalf of Donald Trump, and I'm seeing a very energized and motivated electorate. They can't wait. Many of them have already taken advantage of early voting, but they can't wait, those that haven't, to cast their ballot for Donald Trump. All Donald Trump has to do right now is close the deal with the American people. They want to vote for him. Look, I haven't seen somebody work this hard for president in the last 25 to 30 years. He's out hustling Mrs. Bill Clinton right now, and I still believe that he's going to be the 45th president of the United States based on the energy and the motivation of his electorate, and that's what you need at election time.
What do you feel, Judge?
You know, I think that Donald Trump has hit at issues that politicians haven't talked about, whether it's immigration, the refugees. People believe that he can deliver jobs. And I think that as long as Donald stays on message for the next 48 hours, I think that people understand.
You mean not go on Twitter in the next 48 hours?
Yeah, as long as they take that BlackBerry or that iPhone away from him. Look, I agree with Sheriff Clarke. I think that Donald Trump has hit a note with the American public all over this country.
What do you make of what happened today with James Comey?
You know what? I don't think people care about that anymore. I think people think Washington is corrupt. They've had it with Washington. He says yes, he says no, he says maybe, he says reckless, he says there's prima facie case, maybe there isn't, maybe there. Nobody cares anymore. Everyone has made up their mind.
We do know she's a liar. We know she's corrupt, and she knows she's self-enriching.
You know what we know even more than that?
We know she broke the law.
A pervert has our classified information on his laptop, and who else has it? We don't know. But I don't have time for that. What I do have time for.
5 foreign national intelligence agencies hacked that email. 99%.
Well, there's no question about that. But let me ask you this: if WikiLeaks,
you take over the show. Welcome to Justice with Judge Jeanine. You go ahead, take over.
But if WikiLeaks,
I'm a potted plant here. Why do I ask your own question and answer it?
I'll be quiet now.
No, I'm kidding.
You want to know? Okay, if WikiLeaks can get all of the White House, everybody, all of the senators, Secretary of State, you know that WikiLeaks has our classified information too.
And so do the Russians, and so do the Iranians, and so do the Chinese. You know, I know you work in the rule of law, Sheriff, and it's clear what she did, having a server mishandled, deleting, obstructing, all of this is a crime. Would I not be in jail today? Would Judge Jeanine not be in jail today? Yeah. Would you, Sheriff, not be in jail today? We don't have a system of law any longer. Our justice system is now falling apart. I have no faith, none, in our Department of Justice, and I'm sorry to say, no faith in James Comey. None. And I have faith in the FBI. I have faith in the rank and file. Rank and file told us the truth. Something is going on that we won't find out about for a long time.
Well, not only would we be in jail, Sean, we'd be under the jail. But look, James Comey has turned the FBI into a modern-day version of Keystone Cops. He has tarnished the reputation of that organization. He should resign immediately over the bungling of this case. And if he does not resign, and when Donald Trump becomes president, I think Mr. Trump should add that to his first 100 days, is to fire James Comey so that the FBI can regain their image.
There's enough we know that Hillary did to indict her. True or false?
True. Oh, true, without a doubt. Overwhelming evidence that a prosecutor, any competent prosecutor, could take this case to trial and win with.
You could indict her and you could convict her.
Final predictions. Who's going to win the election, Judge?
Donald Trump.
Who's going to win, Sheriff?
Donald Trump.
What are the odds, Judge?
A little more than 50.
What are the odds, Sheriff?
A little more than 50-50.
All right. This is the first time in my adult life I don't have a feel.
You don't?
I don't have a pulse. It's weird. It's different than any other election. All right, guys.
Cautiously optimistic,
I agree,
Sean, I really am.
Straight ahead. More Hannity.